Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Bumble when you aren't receiving the verification code. So first, make sure you're entering the correct phone number or email address connected to your Bumble account. And if you're using SMS verification, then you need to check that your phone has working cellular connection and can receive text messages. Then wait a few minutes before requesting another code. And if you requested several codes, then you need to use the newest code you received. You should also check whether your phone is blocking unknown or automated messages. And if Bumble sends the code by email, then you need to check your inbox, spam, and junk folders as well. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Bumble from your phone's official app store. And if that still doesn't work, then try closing the app completely and then reopening it. You can also try restarting your phone and then try the verification process again. And if you're still not receiving anything, there could be a temporary service or delivery issue with Bumble. Use Bumble's official support options to request help with account verification, and never give your verification code to another person, even if they claim they can recover your account. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.